My name is Carl Johanson. I'd like to spend a few minutes discussing some of the key considerations in creating and maintaining an effective and efficient QA function. Think of QA the way a manufacturer looks at it. It's extremely expensive to wait until the final product is produced to find an issue. An extreme example happened just a couple years ago. A major automotive manufacturer had a problem with a sticking gas pedal. Now this gas pedal was computer controlled. There was no cable between the gas pedal and the throttle. So, in a normal situation, is there any reason that if the brake is depressed, the gas pedal should also be depressed? After all, if you're on cruise control, all manufacturers release the gas when you tap on the brake. This scenario should be included in requirements time. So how much do you think this miss in software requirements cost the company? About $3 billion. Let's spend a moment discussing measurement, transparency, and visibility. Once you have your process defined, it's extremely important to measure. Your goal should be to manage by data, not emotion. An example for system testing might be an escape defect percentage. How many defects were found after system test versus how many defects were found during system test. As a control metric, you can use incoming code quality. Measure the pass rate for the initial execution of all test cases scheduled for a particular test. Metrics such as these provide the basis for making an informed decision on what needs to be improved. I like to start with the QA organization itself. Once the effectiveness and efficiency are transparent to the entire organization, you can start widening your metrics program to include requirements, design, as well as development. So how are you teching up your QA? QA is evolving. If you want to create software better, cheaper, and faster, today's QA analyst needs to be more technical. All testing is not done through the user interface anymore. Some of the examples include database level testing, automated testing, and data validation, just to name a few. Today's QA organizations also need to be more tool savvy. They need to be able to select the right tools, integrate them, configure them, and modify them. QA organizations that are successful at implementing technology tend to see the following benefits: higher quality, lower risk, more predictable schedules, higher capacity, and lower costs. To learn more about QA best practices, please visit solutions.pyramidci.com.